Before you can export the model to Navisworks, you can make sure that all the elements or all the types have a task ID assigned to them. We can do this by making a multi-category schedule. I just have made one to make sure. Let's do one again. On the project browser, you right click on new schedule or quantities, not the material takeoff, just the schedule, and you can select multi-category and click OK. What we want is task ID. We make sure it's assigned, and the family and the type, and that's it. We click OK. Right here we see all the task ID is populated with data. That's for the rectangular column, that's rectangular column, each type, and rectangular beams, footings, and again beams. We can make another schedule. It's a material takeoff to show us the stairs, a new material takeoff. You can just create the material takeoff instead of the regular schedule quantities. It's a multi-category, and click OK. We would select the parameters, the task ID, and then the material name. It needs at least one material parameter, and we can select the family and type and click OK. We can adjust this a little, make the material name at last. OK. And right here you'll see the same schedule but with floors and stairs. All the task ID is populated. If you have seen anything that's blank, we can select like this and go to the 3D view and see this column that we was selecting. It's this column. We add the task ID for it. We know with each floor and add the task ID for it. The floors have task ID, that's alright. The rectangular beams and footings, the stair, have the task ID. Okay. And that's the wall. That was the starter bar for the stair, have the task ID. That's okay. Now our model is ready to be exported to Navisworks.